What up, guys? I am coming at you with another challenge. This challenge is from Diecast Loonie, and the challenge is modern day muscle cars. So I guess these are cars from like 2000 and up. I don't have a whole lot of those, guys. As you guys know, I have a lot of old school muscle cars that I really enjoy. But I do have a few that I can show here. And it can be like Mustangs and Chargers, Challengers, Camaros, Corvettes. And that is the limit of my up-to-date 2000 and something muscle car. And hopefully some of these cars qualify as muscle cars. But if not, I'm sorry guys for wasting your time. But let's take a look at this first one. And this is the 2015 Ford Mustang GT with the Borland livery on it. Still carded. I haven't opened this one. I might have one that's already open. So I don't know. So I just went through and tried to find some cars to put up. I'm more sure I have some other cars somewhere, but I didn't feel like digging through everything. So I just got basically what I can put my hands on. So that'd be the first one. Coming up with another Mustang, guys. And this is 2015 custom Ford Mustang from the Then and Now series. Pretty sweet car. As always, guys, you know with Hot Wheels, there's no thrills. So that'd be number 2. Next one is the 2018 from the Muscle Mania. And there's another Ford Mustang GT in blue. That's the back. Front. Race stripe on the hood. What's up next? Okay, the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible. I have another one. I just don't know where it's at the moment. And as you guys can see, this one has been opened, and I just put it back in the package. And this one is new for 2020. Convertible, black interior. I think I just recently shown this one because I remember the tail light. But I do have another one. I think I have a Matchbox one. I just don't know where it's at the moment. So this one is just to stand in. One day, eventually I will find the other one. Okay, coming up next, guys, we got the 2013 Chevy Camaro. Got this one in the orange with the yellow trim around the rims. And it's from the Camaro 50. At one point I tried to collect all of these guys. I kind of like lost track of them. Then I stopped for a while. And this would be like car number 3 of 5. Again, no party in the back, guys. Sorry. But still is a nice casting. So I showed you guys the one in orange. This is the one in black. As you guys know, black is hard to film, but as you guys see, they have the gold stripes on it, gold, is it 5-spoke rims, or whatever they are, plastic base. Again, so this is still car 305, just in black. And as you know, Hot Wheels, when they do something, it does it in multiple colors. So I'm glad to get both of these. And hopefully I get back to working out the rest of them. The next one got from the Hot Wheel Dream Garage. This is 2018 Copa Camaro SS. I like this one. This is pretty cool. So this is like definitely a racer. You guys can see you got the wheelie bar on the back and parachute. Interior is gray, so overall it's a pretty good car. I'm starting to have lots of love for Camaros now. So that's that one. All right, let's get this party really kicked into gear. So next up, guys, we have the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. And as you guys can see, it has the Mopar on the side, on the hood. It also has SRT on the hood. Speckled paint stripe, red interior, red trim on the rims, no part in the back, but overall it's a nice car. And this is from the Hot Wheels Speed graphic. I like this one. This one I just recently got from a mail call. I think I showed you guys this one. Next one up, guys, is from the MATCHBOX, and it's the 2018 Dodge Charger. It's the one with the 4 doors. But again, MATCHBOX compared to Hot Wheel, MATCHBOX did a little something to give it some love. Also on the front end. As you guys can see, this is a 4-door, but it's still part of the Mopar. All right, next up, guys. '18 Challenger SRT Demon. This one I just recently got. I was looking for this one for quite some time, and I finally found it. I think that's from the 99-cent store. I have to go back over there. I haven't been back since I found these cars. But I like this one. And hopefully you guys like them also. So that is the Charger. I'm sorry, a Challenger. Here's another Challenger. So this is the red edition from Target. It's another pretty nice looking car. Not a whole lot going on in the background, but overall it still looks stunning. And this is also, again, this is from the red edition, 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT. And as you guys can see, it has the Mopar symbol. Next up, guys, I know you guys are gonna get tired of seeing these. Here's another Dodge Challenger from the, I guess these are the throwback series. And it's the 2015. So this one has like a Racing Liberty on it. And you can see the Hemi, number 15 on the side and also on the top. Not a whole lot going on in the back. And I was trying to complete this set. I don't think I completed it yet, but I have to get back into it. So some things are completed, some are not. I kind of like get away from them for a while, but I have to start back up again. But that's this guy. And the last one, guys, is another 2015 Hemi, but this one is in purple. You guys can see the front. You got some side lights, but nothing on the tail lights. No tail lights, sorry about that. But overall, it's pretty sweet. It's purple. You guys can see the Hemi there. Black wall tires. This is all nice. So guys, I want to thank you guys for checking me out. I just want to do a quick video to give my support to Diecast Loonie. And at the same time, guys, hopefully you guys do the challenge too. And as always, guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming and checking me out. Thank you for subscribing to me. And hopefully you come back again, tell a friend. And at the same time, guys, when you leave me a comment, please check out some of my friends in their comment section. Go give them some love. Check out their channel. You subscribe to them, they definitely will get back at you. And just tell them I sent you. And I am Gary. This is Gary Diecast Collection. And as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure your notification is turned on, and please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm putting out. If you don't, I understand that too. All right, guys, until the next video, I am out of here. Keep hunting, stay safe. Deuces, guys. Bye now.